say it's never gonna get any better than leave. I could throw my hands up, I could fall to my knees. I could tell myself I'm strong enough to give all the love that I need. But I still need you to ease my load. Hold me when the lightning strikes. Lead me home, and I don't know which way is right. Love me when it's hard, I promise that I'm not leaving by my side. And when I fall apart, promise in the dark, you'll be by my side. You'll be by my side. You'll be by my side. I could count every time that I fall in. Even when I'm in so deep, it gets hard to see you're still all in. I've been lost by myself in the darkness. Know that I can find my way even on the days when it's hard. But I still need you to ease my load. Hold me when the lightning strikes. Lead me home, and I don't know which way is right. Love me when it's hard, I promise that I'm not leaving by my side. And when I fall apart, promise in the dark, you'll be by my side. You'll be by my side. You'll be by my side. Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. I've been looking through my memories, I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you're looking at the light. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I hear you in the silence, in the light of aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, but I live in the light of aurora. My father living in your blood, not to hold you on to a bright silence, in the light of aurora. Promise in the dark, you'll be by my side. You'll be by my side. You'll be by my side. Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all